The Kiwanis Club of El Centro welcomed the robotics team from Central High School. Teacher J.P. Garcia spoke of the fundamentals of robotics, along with the valuable lessons the students learn while participating in class and in competitions.
Well, we're involved with a whole lot of programs at Central. It started with a rocket club, so I teach rockets. So we compete in a rocket competition. We launch rockets out in the desert. So that's what started it all. And then I was approached to do MESA, which is Math, Engineering, and Science Achievement. So we do MESA, which is all of that, mathematics, engineering. The kids compete in smaller projects. And then the following year, we were approached with FIRST Robotics, which is these big robots running around behind me. It's been called the hardest fun they'll ever have. And since it's a competition, they announce what the game's going to be every January. And once the first committee announces what the game is, the students have 6 weeks to come up with the ideas of how the robot's going to play the game. And then after they have their ideas down on paper and in their brain, we start brainstorming, okay, well, if we build this arm or this shooter or these kinds of wheels, if we're going to use pneumatics or no pneumatics. Then once all that's done, then they start building it. And we get the parts from local stores, Applied, they donate some stuff sometimes, and then they just put it all together.
I love the experience that it is and getting to work on something for 6 weeks.
Working together, sometimes we have disputes against teammates. Hardest thing would also be building the robot and coming up with ideas.
I think it's a lot of fun. You just have to push the boys around a little bit.
Robotics is the future. Robotics is just taking over. It's going to be all the future. So we as working as in robotics, we get an experience, like a basic idea of it. And so far it's been a great experience.
Thank you, Kiwanis.